Hello, thanks for joining our training today. Today I'm going to show you just a couple of things in mygeniuscentral.com that have to do with the mobile application or Mobile Genius program. And we're going to cover how to change your locations in social media that show up on the Locations tab of your app. We're also going to show you where to find images for campaigns. If you need some images, we have a small library that's available. I'm also going to show you what the status circle does on the campaign screen and also how to find out how many people are downloading your app. So stay tuned for all of those. First, we're going to take a look at how to change and update the locations in social media for your app. Here from the home page, we're going to go up to My Settings and click on Mobile Settings. And that's going to take me to the page that shows all of my social media links as well as the store locations that I've entered. Now if you haven't entered any yet, of course this will be blank. You could just click Add New to add social media links and store locations. Now I'm going to show you how that's done. If I want to change a social media, I can delete it here. Yeah, let's take it off. If I want to add something that's new, there's a list of acceptable social media sites that we have available for you to link to on the mobile app. We're going to do Instagram. And here's where we put the social media link. All right, and I'm going to create it. And it's as simple as that. Now when you open the app, you'll see Instagram. For some of these, you'll want to close completely out of the app and reopen it. If you're using an iPhone or an iPad, you will want to double-click and actually fully close out of the app. It will remain open until you've used enough things. It kind of times out. But in order to see those, you'll want to make sure that the app is fully closed, and then when you reopen it, you'll be able to see these changes. Now the same thing goes for any changes that you have to the address that you want to make. Say you've moved and you want to change your address, just click on the address and you can change it to whatever you like. I'm going to leave it the same. Just hit save. You can change the state, you can change the email address. All of this you can change the same way. If I want to change my hours, okay, just hit save and it will change. The same thing goes for this as the social media. You want to close fully out of the app before you try to see this, but it will change immediately. If I want to add something new, just click on Add New. It's going to give you all of these fields to fill in. So you can enter all of your information here. Email address. And your hours. Just a hint on the hours, rather than putting 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. or whatever your hours may be, in order to make it look the nicest on the app, you want to leave off the AM and PM and just put the hour with a dash. All right, and if you want to create that, just hit create and it will be added successfully. And here's the newest one that I added. Appears on the bottom. Now you can also change the order that these appear on the app just by clicking and dragging. Okay. This website here, mangosmarket.com, this you are not able to edit. On yours, it will say mangosmarket.com, but don't panic. That's pulling from somewhere else in our system. Eventually, the idea is to allow you to change this, but right now it's defaulting from the account that we have set up. So on your website, it will say probably mangosmarket.com here, but it's not going to be using that address. That's just default filling in this field. Okay, your website is going to be pulled from that. So that's how you can edit and update social media and locations for your app. We're going to go to the home screen, and I'm going to show you where to find images for the app. So if you're going to create a campaign, a coupon, or a special, or what's new, and you're using a specific product or a brand, you don't have the image. We do have a small library that you can look at. And what you'll do is go up here to Deals and over to Sales Material. Going to click on that. It's going to bring up this list here of the different brands that are available. So if I click on this drop down, you can see all of these brands we will have some product images available for, and we will have the brand logo available as well. So I'm going to click on Jaro. Now there are lots of other things that you can download here, information about products, sell sheets, but if you scroll down, you can see there are some product images. Now in order to use these product images for your app, all you have to do is right-click on the image and save it to a file on your computer. And the same thing is going to go for the brand logo here. Just right-click on it and you can save the image to your computer. Okay, so those are available for you to use. I want to show you on your campaign screen what the status symbol looks like when you click on it. So you can get to your campaign screen by either clicking Start Campaign or by clicking Campaigns here in the top. Here is our campaign screen, and you can see the status symbol over here on the right. They're green and yellow. Green means that the campaign has been sent, and yellow means that the campaign is pending. Now if I click on one of these coupons, I'm going to see a little chart here, and it will show me how many downloads and how many coupons have been redeemed. Now downloads, what this means is how many people have actually viewed the coupon. When they open the coupon on their mobile phone, that counts as a download of the coupon. So you can see how many people have looked at the coupon. And you can also see how many people have clicked redeem on their phone. Now you want to be careful about this number because it does not indicate whether or not they're actually standing at the cash register. This just means that they have been looking at the app, they've looked at a coupon, and they have clicked redeem. And they could be anywhere at any time doing that. Doesn't necessarily mean that this transaction went through. So you want to take this with a grain of salt. Just know that this is pulling directly from the phones and not from any transaction record that we have. All right, so that's what you can look at. Now, when you click on specials and what's new, they will not have this redeemed category, of course. Coupons are the only redeemable offers, but you will still be able to see how many people have looked at that item. And from this, you can kind of gauge what is successful as far as the content that you're posting on your app. Now, something else that you can see here on this screen is this little bar up here on the right-hand side. This will tell you exactly how many downloads you have had of the mobile app. It's up to the minute information, and this will also show you how many qualifying offers you've opted into for the month. So currently we have 5 qualifying offers, and those qualifying offers are the Premier brand, Premier product, or subsidized offers, the coupons that are available for you to opt into. When I hover over this, it will tell me that in order to qualify for exemption of my monthly store fee, I need to have 250 downloads and send a minimum of 3 supplier offers per month. Now when the month changes, this number is going to go back to 0. And the box will turn red because it's no longer qualifying. So just keep that in mind. Even though you may have opted into something the previous month, now when it goes to 0, it will do that at the new month. The other place that you can find this little bar is going to be under campaigns on supplier offers. And this is the same place where you find those coupons, those manufacturer coupons, the subsidized offers that you can opt into. And you see that that bar is here as well. I hope this has shown you just a few more things about Genius Central and about your mobile app, and some information that you can find here on this website that's going to be helpful and important for you to know. And please let us know if you have any questions. We're happy to help you. Thank you.